What up, gang? In this video, we're going to talk about the habits and routines of artists who are considered lyricists, and also really what makes them lyricists. I'm someone who wholeheartedly believes that you should write and then rewrite the verse. I mean, it sounds lazy to not do that and make it as best you can for your fans, right? The reason behind this thinking is that every time you rewrite a verse, you're going to change a lyric for the better. Right? If you change something, you only change it to make it better. You're going above and beyond to make your song better, which helps you stand out from other artists who don't try. Because when you see somebody not try at all, it's pretty evident, right? Rewriting allows you to see mistakes you originally made in your writing. And rewriting songs allows you to hear back your original idea and give yourself a second opinion instead of settling and releasing a first draft. The longer you work on something, the better it gets. Most of the time. It's art, all right? But every time you go back and rewrite days or weeks later with a new approach from a whole different mindset, it could be massively beneficial. And all big artists do this. I recently mentioned in an article that I wrote for smartrapper.com, I talked about how Royce da 5'9" said when he was writing songs for Diddy, that Diddy always made him rewrite verses tons of times. And Mace said the same thing, okay? I mean, I know who Mace is, but maybe you do if you're really into hip hop. And this is not the only person that he's gonna make rewrite. And there's a reason why Diddy's Diddy. Come on, right? You need to write and then rewrite until it's perfect for the song. It's art. You want it to be beautiful, right? You want to be Picasso or you want to be Cablasso? Because you're not always going to get it on your first try. But let's talk about the other side of it. Then there are those times where you do get it on your first try. The melodies are great, the flow is great, the chorus is great, the energy is great, and it just comes together so perfectly. Now, there's something more natural in the creation of a song when you do not rewrite your verses. Just put it like that. That's how it happens. I have a lot of songs that I've made, and I made the whole song in 45 minutes. Dip and Dash, freaking, oh man, 25 minutes. Ain't My Tight Drop. That's one of my favorite songs. That thing was made in less than an hour, including making the beat. Like, sometimes it's like that, but it's not always. And also, the reason I can write so fast, and a lot of people who are lyricists, is we know how to write it right on the first try now, because we've rewritten so much. We're rewriting as we're writing because we know what's right and wrong. You ain't lying. And you'll get to that point if you're not already there, okay? Practice makes perfect. Oh God. Really quick, if you can hit that subscribe button for me, I really appreciate it. Growing this channel allows me to help more artists like you and me so that we can keep getting further faster together. That's it. Let's get back to the video. Because realistically, what people want to hear from a song is a smooth flow that is in the right pocket, a great chorus, and the right message for whatever they like. And the thing is also that you have to be able to get your message across and get these lyrics across while being able to squeeze them into the amount of syllables that you're using for the flows. You want to get those witty bars in there. And typically, that's only going to happen if you rewrite. So that's a habit and a routine that every lyrical rapper that you know. I'm talking about every lyrical rapper that you look up to, even rappers who you may think are lyrical that aren't even lyrical, I bet you a lot of them rewrite their stuff. And I want you to take that note, take that into account, all right? Since we're talking about this, I want to give you a free cheat sheet on the fundamentals of rapping and other things that go alongside it, okay? I'm going to put a free download right below this video and inside of the top comment. I just made this. It's brand new, super tips. It's just really useful. And also, I have a master series I'm going to give you for less than $3 because if you're beginning, I know you can't afford a lot of stuff, and I want to let you get your chance on that. But you get the thing for free. After you get it for free, you can check that out. No pressure, all right? I just want you to get better. I want to be able to help you as much as I can. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Check those links below. And you already know what time it is. It's time for Word of the Day.
Hi, my name is Carolani. Today's word is nocturne, a short composition of a romantic or dreamy character suggestive of night, typically for piano. Here's the word used in a sentence. Rob had the unfinished nocturne and portrait in his studio.
All right, there you have it. You just learned a new word that you can put into your songs, okay? Make sure you subscribe so you can learn these new words. And make sure you get that download, all right? It's going to be in the top comment and in the description. Hope this video helps you. And, yeah, well, I'll see you in the next video. Tons of new stuff releasing. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Keep hustling, gang. That sounded weird. Keep hustling, gang. And I'll see you at the top.
Break it down and flip it all day.